Hi, Bill from Tentworld Barana. Today I would like to show you the Darche Eclipse awning. Available in three sizes, from 2.5 metres by 2.5 metres, 2 metres long by 2.5 metres out off the vehicle, as well as a little 1.4 metre by 2 metre that is ideally suited to the rear of most wagons and utes. The Eclipse awning I have here is 2.5 by 2.5 metres. The Darche Eclipse awning is enclosed in a 600 GSM laminated PVC transit cover, which features a number 10 self-repairing coil zip, which stops the zip jamming while protecting from road grime, dust and the weather. The canvas that Darche use on their Eclipse series awnings is a tough 12-ounce mould-treated poly-cotton canvas, which has a huge 2000mm waterhead rating. Combining this with their Superflex pivoting hinges to their scratch-resistant alloy twist lock poles, these awnings have been designed to last. Supplied with the awning are 2 guide ropes and pegs. Make sure you always use these to keep the awning secured to the ground. I've attached carabiners to my ropes to make it quick and easier to attach. Also available to give added weather protection are awning extensions and side panels, which are available for both the 2.5 and the 2 metre models. You can pick up your own Darche Eclipse awning from Tentworld online or by visiting your local Tentworld store.